Hey everybody! Alright, 9 o'clock as promised. Let me close my music out because that's going to be distracting. I'm not going to be able to focus. Okay, very good. Anyway, as promised, 9 o'clock. So I'm just going to jump in. Hopefully you guys can join me and catch all this great info. But it's Teach Me Thursday, so I hope you have your drink and your oils and a notepad so I can give you all the awesome information. Okay, so I thought we would talk about essential rewards. Kind of demystify it a little bit for our new members so you have a really good understanding without feeling like, the house is on fire, okay? So you guys are familiar with subscription boxes like Birchbox or NatureBox, or they have a Bark Box, I think, for your pets, where you basically get a sampling of products that are like themed. Like the Bark Box is all stuff for your dog, and then there's what was that one we used to do, NatureBox or something like that, wasn't it? That it was all like organic, non-GMO, like healthier snacks. And so it was like a sampling, and we paid them like $25 a month, and they just basically sent us this prize box of products for us to try. And that was cool, you know, great. I'll pay $25 for that, right? It's fine. However, you know, you don't get to personalize it. So Essential Rewards is Young Living's awesome monthly wellness box, but it's of your choice. So we don't just send you random stuff. They don't just like say, oh, here you go, here's your auto ship. This is what you get this month. Hope you're happy. No, you get to choose what you get. So, you know, this month you want to get laundry soap and cleaning products, and next month you want to get the makeup, and so on and so forth, right? You get to choose what you get. So why would I do Essential Rewards as opposed to just jumping on and placing a quick order whenever I feel like I need to restock stuff, right? Like maybe every few months I think, oh, I'll do a quick order. You know, it might be a couple $100s. I did this, you guys, when I first started. I had my oils. About 2 or 3 months later, I was like, oh, I should probably reorder some things. And I placed like $100+ order. And then a few months went by. And then my girlfriend was finally like, April. She like shook me. She's like, not really. It was virtual because she was in California and I was in Okinawa. But anyway, she's like, why are you not doing Essential Rewards? Every few months you're spending like $100+. You could do this and make more changes for your family and get more products for your family by doing Essential Rewards. And she explained it to me. So since then, the program's been revamped a little bit, but the basis is still the same. It is a 50 PV order every month. So why would I want to do 50 PV orders every month instead of a couple hundred every few months? Well, because on Essential Rewards, you get reduced shipping, and you also receive free points that you can then cash in for free products. And in the first 3 months that you're on Essential Rewards, you earn 10% back in points. So if you spent $50 every month, that's 5 points every month. At the end of 3 months, you'd have 15 points. That's enough to buy, like, just at that point, it's enough to buy, like, one of the citrus oils or some of the various things like that, right? Obviously, the more money you spend, then the more you get back, which is awesome. From 4 to 24 months, you get 20% back in points. And at 25+ months, you get 25% back. So, you know, you see, like, it starts adding up pretty quickly. You're at 10% for those first 3 months, but after that, at month 4, you start earning 20% back. That's awesome. So that's double. So that's 10 points every month on your 50 PV order. Great. That's 30 PV in like 3 months. That's awesome. And you get access to the ER exclusive promos when you're on Essential Rewards. So every month, Young Living puts out this list of promo products. So if you spend so many PV, you get X oil or X supplement or whatever, right? Well, that starts at 190 PV and then 250 and 300. However, if you're on Essential Rewards, you would get a free oil at 100 PV and an extra free oil at 190 PV. So now we're talking about I'm placing 100 PV and I'm going to get this $10 bottle of oil for free. And I'm going to get, you know, 10 points back just in those first 3 months, right? So free stuff, reduced shipping, points that you can cash in for free stuff, and awesomeness. Okay, and so you also get extra bonus oils every 3 months on the program. So at month 3, you get an oil. At 6, 9, and 12, you get an oil. That's if you just place 50 PVs. That isn't including the extra bonus oil promos that they do each month for ER. So at month 12, you get loyalty, which, you know what, it's up there. Let me grab it. You get a loyalty blend, which is only available on, good thing I didn't have pajama pants on because I had to get up in front of you guys and you totally saw my legs. Sometimes I do videos in sweatpants and pajama pants, so you're welcome. Anyway, at 12 months you get the loyalty oil, which is awesome. It has 2 of the highest frequency oils that Young Living has, well, that really exist, Idaho Blue Spruce and Rose. It also has several other, it has Melissa, so that gives it a really earthy smell. It's just really nice. It's so comforting. I've had it in the diffuser for a couple of days. I love it. So you get that at 12 months as your thank you gift, and you can't get that any other way than being on Essential Rewards. You can't buy it in the virtual office. It won't be available for you to buy if you went to Will Call at Young Living stuff. You can only get it on Essential Rewards. That's pretty awesome. And so that's what and why. And so how? Like I said, it's a 50 PV order every month. So maybe instead of doing that 200 PV order every few months, you split it up over each month. You do 50, and then next month you do another 50. And that is how you start accruing those points. That's how you meet the qualification. Now, if you're also sharing the oils as a business, you have to do 100 PV every month in order to qualify for all of your commissions. But the ER promos, or the ER deal, starts at 50 PV. Promos start at 100 if you're on Essential Rewards. So I guess my question is, like, why not? Like, why wouldn't you do it? So now that we've demystified ER, and if you guys still have any questions, you know, comment below and let me know, and I'll come back and try to answer them. But really, it's super simple. You can sign up for it by going into your virtual office. You'll log into your account, and over on the left side, it'll say Essential Rewards, and you can click on that, and then it steps you right through enrolling. You get to pick your shipment date, and you get to pick what method of shipping. So you can do like 2-day, or you can do 5 to 10 day for the cheapest option, and it's discounted. And like I said, you get to choose your products every month. So it's an awesome program. All right. So where did I put my phone down at? This month's promos, I just wanted to recap those really quick because it's wrapping up. Tomorrow's the 29th. So we have the 29th and 30th. And then we'll be on to October, you guys. Are you kidding me? So this month's promos are all about, like, wellness. So keeping us above the wellness line as we go into the fall and winter, like, sicky seasons. So at 100 PV, you're going to get a 5 milliliter bottle of Oregano Vitality, which is awesome for immune support. At 190, you'll get the Oregano and a Thieves Vitality, plus 5 milliliters Peace and Calming. Are you kidding me? Free Peace and Calming? Whoa. At 250, you'll get all of those oils, plus Inner Defense, which I did not grab it, but it's a supplement, and it has like Thieves and Oregano and a few other things, and it's in a soft gel capsule. You can take that like daily if you're kind of prone to picking up stuff over the winter to help prevent that, or if you just generally kind of need extra immune support. What I usually do is take it, you know, when I'm going to work at the hospital. I'll add that. I do my like Thieves roll-on that I love, and then I will also take an Inner Defense just to help my immune system be, you know, a little stronger when I'm going to be exposed to some pretty gunky stuff, right? And then at 300 PV, you'll get Thieves Vitality, Oregano Vitality, Peace and Calming, Inner Defense, and a big bottle of Cool Azul, which I grabbed. It's hiding somewhere in this box. Cool Azul. Yeah, you'll get a big bottle of that, which is another one of Young Living's really awesome, exclusive muscle, you know, happy muscle oil blends. So that's awesome. So it ends up being a little over $200 in free stuff when you spend 300 PV. So I get that, you know, everybody can't spend 300 PV, but guys, if you can swing it any of the months, like they have some awesome promos, and you end up getting a whole bunch of free stuff with your order. Plus, obviously, you're spending the money on things that, you know, you guys need in your family. So that's awesome way to get the free stuff. Plus the points. So like I said, the more you spend, the more you get. And so, you know, in those first 3 months, if you spent 300 PV, you'd be getting 30 points back each month, which adds up really quickly. So anyway, it's a great program. Oh, before I move on, I wanted to show you guys some of the things, like why free stuff, like why would I want to do Essential Rewards free stuff. Okay, I'm going to show you all these things I've gotten free either with my ER points that I've cashed in, or because there were promos each month and I was on ER. Ninja Nitro, which are these awesome, like, just little supplements, cognitive fitness, you know, energy, a little extra energy boost, but it's not filled with a bunch of genetically modified or junky stuff. It is like green tea leaf extract and mulberry leaf extract, Korean ginseng root extract, so all these natural sources for energy and focus. I got these Essential Zymes 4 on promo. I think that was in June, maybe June, I can't remember. July, I don't know. I've cashed in points to get the Kids Sense toothpaste because my boys use that. I've cashed them in to get Ningxia, the big old boxes of them. Essential Zyme, I cashed in points for that. And other supplements that we use, Super B, Life 9, whatever things like that we use routinely. I have cashed points in to get those. Clarity, this was free last month with all of the Kids Scent oils. All 5 of them. That was last month's promo, you guys. Like, that's awesome. And I don't know how some of these oils got in there. I don't know. Okay, anyway, Australian Blue, that's like a $65 bottle of oil, and I used points to get that, you guys. Like, that's awesome. What other freebies? Peace and Calming, like I said, that was tonight of this month's promo at $190. I mean, I would spend like $300 just to get Peace and Calming, okay? I mean, an extra one. I've cashed in to get my Progessence Plus. I've cashed in to get, nope, those were freebies. I don't know. Oh, this Hinokai, when it came back out this month, I just used promo points to order this. All kinds of vitality oils, oregano, lavender, the Thieves Fruit and Veggie Spray. So this is awesome if you're traveling. Like, you can pick up your veggies and fruit from, maybe you stop at a little Quick Mart or whatever and need something to snack on. You can spritz them down and just kind of rub them off real quick. And you can get that for free. Energy, I got this in June, and Aroma Ease, and Ula Grow. That's not Ula Grow, that's Kids Scent. Ula Grow, which is one of my favorite oils. It just smells awesome. All these things, you guys, like this, I mean, and more. This is just like a sampling of the things that I've gotten for free because of ER. So, awesome, right? Okay, so now what else? Next Monday, we have our new member orientation. It's called Ignite. Tracy Black-Nielsen, she's our Diamond leader, and she's over at the Let's Be Frank team hangout and Oily chat group. She launches our new member orientation the first week of every month, and we've revamped it recently. So we have 5 days talking about how to use your oils, from your starter kit, and just a little bit more about managing your virtual office and your Young Living membership, and just about Young Living. And then the next 5 days are about like how you can share and how you can get your oils paid for, or earn an extra income, or start building residual income, and maybe retire or leave the job that you don't want, whatever, however much you want to share. And so it talks about why maybe you would want to do that and how you can do it. It's really simple, you guys. It doesn't have to be something complicated. So anyway, if you haven't been in the Ignite training yet, or you have been a member for a while but feel like you need some more information about like just basics, let me know, comment below, and we'll get you added to that group. It starts Monday, and it's just Monday through Friday for 10 days. So really simple. You do it on your own time. It's just posts with some videos that you can watch and, discussion about it. So, okay, Winter Harvest. You guys, did you see Tracy's post in the team hangout? So she has secured 25 spots for Winter Harvest. And that is at the Highland Flats Farm in Idaho. It's, we would fly into Spokane, Washington. So I don't know how far it is from Spokane, but then you would shuttle over. So it is like, it's awesome. Like, we're going to basically have like sleepaway camp, only we're grown-ups. So bunk beds and a cabin and cooking together and participating in distillation and all kinds of things around the farm. And it's only going to be 25 people that go for that week, January 22nd through 27th. So it's going to be really intimate. We're going to get to see a lot of awesome stuff at the farm, and I'm super excited. So if you guys can go, there's only a couple of spots left in that January one. There's also one going in November that might have a few spots. So if you wanted to go earlier, I might be jealous, but you can secure your spot. It's basically what it is that it's like $5,000 for up to 25 people. So splitting it up 25 ways allows it to only be a couple of $100s. And that's really just covering the use of the cabin and all of that stuff, all the supplies and everything with that. And then you just got to pay to get yourself there. So the most expensive part for me is going to be my flight, but I think it's totally worth it to go and be able to experience the winter harvest of, like Idaho Blue Spruce and Northern Lights Black Spruce and whatever else they're harvesting at that point. I know those two. And maybe fir. So anyway, I'm excited, and I would love to have some of you guys come with us. So if you can make it happen, maybe that can be like your Christmas gift, and we'll just fly out together. That would be so much fun. And then I think an extra 100 maybe to split the food costs and shuttle costs and stuff. But it's going to be great. I'm excited. If you guys could go, anytime you can get to a farmer event, like, make it happen if you can. And then let's see. Oh, okay. So I'm going to wrap it up. Things coming next month. Big things, you guys. So make sure that you keep checking in here in our group and participate, because I have some awesome announcements and I just can't quite share them yet with you because it's not October, but start checking in and make sure you are, you know, keeping an eye out for what we have going on in here and in Tracy's group and Lindsay's group. It's going to be amazing. October is like, it's just an awesome month. I love it. It's a little cooler, but it's not too cold. We have Halloween and it just, you know, it's awesome. So, it's going to be a great month for us too as a team. I can't wait to like share this stuff with you guys. So, I think that's about it. I would love to hear what you guys are doing with your oils. So, you know, like share, you guys, please. This group is for everybody. It's not just for me to put information up there for you to just read. It is for you to ask questions. It's for you to interact, share a tip or something you discovered, a favorite recipe that you use with the oils. You know, what kind of fall diffuser blends are you putting on in your diffuser right now? Like I did that snickerdoodle yesterday, and then today I did that like pumpkin spice latte thingy, and it was amazing. My house smelled like cinnamon and nutmeg mostly, and it was great. So anyway, I'm gonna jump off. I will see you guys soon. And like I said, post any questions about ER, or if you want to get into the new member orientation or anything on winter harvest, or have any questions about anything, post them here. I'll circle around and try to answer them. And please share, post on the wall all your tips and questions and all your goodness. That's what this group is for, okay? All right, guys. Bye.